Hello everyone, and in this episode let's take a break from health attributes and other stuff. Back in episode 27, I showed you how to implement camera rotation. Now I will show you another approach. How to rotate the camera using mouse by holding down a key. First open the inputs folder and create an input action. IA enable camera rotation. Next open IMC player and bind IA enable camera rotation to any key you prefer. Now it's time to move on the player. So open BP player and in the movement event graph add IA enable camera rotation event. And I'm only going to use triggered, since we want to update the camera rotation only while the player is holding the button. First get the player controller, and then get the mouse position. We will store that mouse position in a two-dimensional vector. So create a variable called new mouse position, set it to vector 2D. Next set up a variable to keep track of the previous mouse position, call it prev mouse position, also a vector 2D. Now set new mouse position to the mouse position. Next check if getting the mouse position actually returned true. If it didn't, just set prev mouse position to 0 vector. If it returned true, we need to check if prev mouse position is still 0. And if it is, update it with the new mouse position. If the condition is false, that means we need to do some calculations. Here what we are going to implement. First we will create two vectors, from the character to each mouse position. Then we will calculate the dot product and the cross product of those vectors. And finally we will use attend to with the cross and dot products to get the angle. That angle is the value we will add to the current rotation. Let's go ahead and implement this. Start by creating a function called getRelativeThatAngleDiff. Make this function pure and add an output named angle with the type float. Now at the beginning of the function, get the player controller and use project world to screen. Use it to project the actor's location to a screen position. Next subtract the projected position from prev mouse position. Then do the same for the new mouse position. Subtract the projection from it. Now normalize both of those results in vectors. Then calculate cross product of two normalized vectors, prev and new. Then get the dot product of the same two vectors. Finally call attend to, using the cross product as y and the dot product as x. Promote the result to local variable and call it thatAngle. Next I need to check if the absolute value of the angle is greater than 90. If it is, return 180 minus the angle. If it is, return 180 minus the angle. This helps to correct the rotation direction. If it isn't, just return the original angle. Now go back to the event graph. We need to update the spring arm's relative rotation. Get the current relative rotation of spring arm. And reuse the x and y values. For that, set it to the sum of current z and result from get relative z angle diff. And finally, don't forget to update the pref mouse position by setting it to a new mouse position. Now open the level and test it. And it works well. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.